Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a birthday surprise. I kind of know what it is, but how the birthday surprise works. So I woke up and a good friend of mine, and I don't know if she wants to be known, so I will let her know what I purchased with that, but I wanted to share it with you. Anyways, sent some money in my PayPal and said pick yourself something up you would like. So I knew exactly what I was going to get. And you're all like, what is this? Okay. And I'm here to show you. And I'm so stoked I get it. And as y'all know, I'm redoing my bathroom in Van Gogh. Okay? And, ready? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh. Okay. Oh. There, posters of Van Gogh's art. Here's, let me put you guys up. Oh. I'll do one at a time. I'm gonna have to, I don't wanna. So there's the sunflower. And I'm gonna pick up frames. They're bigger than I thought they were. So I'm hoping I can find frames. Might take me a while, but I will get them. So we have that one. We have self-portrait. That one. And that one. They're so nice. Oh. I think there was 18 of them. And I thought I'd buy 2 or 3 frames and I could switch them out when I wanted to. Because they're bigger than I thought they were. I will be honest. At least they're not smaller. The lilies. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The pears. Another self-portrait. Now, this is one of my favorites also, is the shoes. Because it reminds you of a working man. And that's what basically what he also stated when he painted these. These were working man shoes. I just love it. I love all his stuff, but there's certain ones that I just like, yep. This one. Man, they're going to go down my hallway as well. And of course, my favorite. Oh, this is Starry Night on the Ruins. They did the ruins. Alright. I'm okay with that. The bedroom. I'm not done yet. I got 3, 4 more to go. Beautiful. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. Man, it's gonna be a hard choice. Figure out which ones I'm gonna frame and put up in my bathroom. And they're laying nicely flat too. I'm actually gonna see if these will lay flat now. Flatter. So roll them up. Because I think I couldn't hang them on the wall just like this because of the moisture. It'd ruin them. So I'm going to have to frame them. And I think it's best bet regardless. And then I think this is the last one. Yep, there we go. Starry Night. So that is a birthday gift from a friend who gave me money. And I'll let her know to watch this video. But, oh my god, they're so awesome. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 of them. So, I got 20 of them. And I thought they were half this size. I was okay with that. So I'm pretty proud. I did say, I think it was 13 by 19. So I think I had one direction in my head, then the other. So, but they're beautiful. Look at them. So I'm hoping I can find frames this size. So I probably can. I'll have Scott remeasure. If not, I'll see if somebody local can make me some frames. Or I'll just pick picture frames up at garage sales like I do for other things and just reuse the frames. Awesome. So, I want to thank my friend who sent me the money. I don't know if she wants to be known. If she wants to tell you, she can tell you in the chat or in the comments. But thank you. This is what I bought with my birthday money, and I thought I'd share it with you. Thank you guys, as always, and thank you so much, birthday friend. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.